Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Naila Aura Ramadhani with study number 2441171 from Management Class 24A. In this video, I will explain about the basic accounting equation. Definition of basic accounting equation. The basic accounting equation, also known as the balance sheet equation, is the cornerstone of Warren's journal entries. This equation, which states that assets equals liabilities plus equity, serves as the basis for recording and understanding all financial transactions within a business. Definition of assets. Assets are research owned by a business that have economic value and can be used to generate future benefits. These include cash, inventory, equipment, real estate, and other valuable items that the company possesses. Recording assets. Assets are recorded on the left side of the accounting equation. When the company acquires an asset, the corresponding account is debited, increasing the overall assets balance. Conversely, when an asset is used or sold, the account is credited, decreasing the assets balance. Importance of assets management. Proper asset management is crucial for Warren's business as it allows him to track the company's research, make informed decisions, and ensure the efficient utilization of all assets to drive profitability and growth. Definition of liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligations and debts owed by a business to external parties, such as suppliers, lenders, or the government. These include accounts payable, loans, and tax due. Recording liabilities. Liabilities are recorded on the right side of the accounting equation. When the company incurs a liability, the corresponding account is credited, increasing the overall liability balance. Conversely, when a liability is paid off, the account is debited, decreasing the liability balance. Importance of liability management. Effective liability management is crucial for Warren's business, as it helps him maintain a healthy financial position, meet debt obligation, and ensure the long-term sustainability of the company. Types of liabilities. Common types of liabilities include accounts payable, notes payable, accrued expenses, and long-term debt, each with its own unique accounting treatment and impact on the company's financial statements. Equity. Paid in capital. Paid in capital represents the funds invested by the owners or shareholders in the business, either through the initial investment or subsequent capital contribution. Returned earnings. Returned earnings are the profits that the business has earned and reinvested back into the company, rather than distributing them to the owners as dividends. Owner's drawings. Owner's drawings are the withdrawals made by the owner from the business for personal use, which reduce the overall equity of the company. Net income. Net income, or the company's profit, is the final component of equity, representing the company's overall financial performance and the owner's stake in the business. The accounting equation in action. Number 1. Cash purchase. Purchases office supplies for cash. The accounting equation reflects an increase in the assets or office supplies and a decrease in the assets or cash, with no change in liabilities or equity. Number 2, loan acquisition. If Warren's business takes out a loan from the bank, the accounting equation shows an increase in the assets or cash and an increase in the liability or loan payable with no immediate change in equity. Number 3, service revenue. The accounting equations reflects an increase in the assets or cash and an increase in the equity or service revenue with no change in liability. Debits and credits, the double entry bookkeeping system. Number 1, debit. A debit is an accounting entry that increases an assets or expense account and decreases a liability or equity account. Number 2, credit. A credit is an accounting entry that increases a liability or equity account and decreases an assets or expense account. Number 3, double entry bookkeeping. The double entry bookkeeping system ensures that every transaction is recorded with a debit and a corresponding credit, maintaining the balance of the accounting equation. Number 4, ledger accounts. Each account in the accounting system, such as cash, accounts receivable, and accounts payable, has a debit and credit side to record the change resulting from business transactions. Practical applications and case studies. Number 1, asset management case study. In a case study, implemented an effective asset management strategy leading to a 20% increase in inventory turnover and a 15% reduction in maintenance costs, resulting in a significant improvement in overall profitability. Liability management case study. A case study on liability management shows how successfully negotiated better terms with its suppliers, reducing its account payable by 30% and improving its credit rating, which in turn allowed the company to secure more favorable financing options. Equity management case study. In a case study on equity management, implemented a comprehensive strategy to optimize its paid-in capital, retained earnings, and net income, leading to a 25% increase in the company's valuation and a 18% higher dividend payout to its shareholders. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.